They're gorgeous cows. I love cows. And they're gorgeous. Check out this little bubba here.
We're sleeping with the cows apparently.
Heaps of cows out here. Turn of events with the weather. Rolling in all the cows. All over these swags. Talk to you in the morning. Or later if anything exciting happens. Welcome to a night off-road.
Welcome back and Happy New Year. It's cracking.
Not much. How you going? I think it's a bit windy up there for the camera. We're just here south of Nowra at the Blue Rock Pools and it is beautiful, but it is blowing a gale. Some fantastic rock scenery going on here, the waves crashing over. There is an actual pool if you have been here before. If you haven't, it's a pool made of rocks. It's probably the best way to explain it, with a bit of a cement boundary. It is elite. Don't even know if you can hear me that well now because you are in a little bit of a cave, but we'll roll on some footage and if it's not too windy, you probably hear me speak again in a little bit. Down here on the marina in Batemans Bay for New Year's. Actually, it's pretty quiet down here. There's no one on this side of the woods. I think they're all at the carnival. That's where supposedly all the fireworks are happening. Yeah, don't know where that is exactly, but I think it's on Beach Road. Everything is shut down here, the whole strip down, all shut. But it's peaceful, which is kind of nice. A little bit shitty that it is quiet. I mean, we weren't particularly fond of having a party or anything, but
We thought it'd be going off.
yeah, thought it'd be pumping. So maybe all the action is being had down at the carnival where supposedly all the fireworks are, but there's some pretty big yahooing going from more out the countryside of things, probably where they're out camping. So, and it is but quiet on New Year's. Crazy, huh? Oh well, see if we can't find a beer, huh? If you come here for a fireworks display, don't, because there isn't one. It's pretty weird because, oh goodness, something's going on over those hills down there, across the opposite side of the marina. It's sad because we thought Batemans Bay, beautiful place, and it still is a beautiful place. Come here, maybe go out, have a beer, and we, like I said earlier, see if we can't find ourselves a beer. Definitely couldn't.
Definitely no beers inside.
No. Anyway, we'll leave you there. Hope you had a very good New Year's wherever you are. We did, regardless of the lack of excitement, if you will. The chilled one's a good one, huh?
Always. Love a chilled.
Peace out. Where are we? A little bit north from Nowra, isn't it?
West.
It's west. It's west from Nowra. That's right. Little rural town just west. Oh, it's a bit bumpy. We're just heading down at the moment. It's a private farm stay. It's a beautiful little area by the looks of it. There's plenty of animals and plenty of cows about. Probably show you some footage in a bit. We're just heading through to the campground now. There's a nice little fun entry.
Now I'm all muddy.
Oh, it's a bit of bad luck.
GoPro's for, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly right. Waterproof. Is it mudproof?
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Yes. I think we've got a creek side. We haven't got the full-blown lake side or river side. We're on like this little hidden nook, a little bit of privacy. So
We're sleeping with the cows apparently.
heaps of cows out here. They've obviously just wandered through the paddocks.
You're giving us some looks.
And they're gorgeous. Check out this little bubba. We're just going to get out and have a yarn to the cow, the sheep, the lamb, the goat, So a bunch of them out here at the moment actually, and we'll meet you down at the creek. How's about this spot, mate? Absolutely specky and not a single person around. So I'm just here down at the river at the moment, kind of just escaping the sun, to be honest. About to start cooking in a little bit. I'll probably just collect some of these trees that have fallen down. There's some dead debris around. I'll just pick that up. Okay, it's not all that difficult to find some stuff. You just got to look around, particularly at the ground, and see what's dropped. This stuff's perfect. Bit of tinder, get the fire started, and then we can dump on top from there. Yes, 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 yes. No, come on. And that's it. We have fire for tonight when the temperatures drop down a little bit, but more importantly, we can cook some dinner. Yeah, she's up and running.
It's going out with my new mates. Oh, no, my sunnies. Got some new friends, new campsite. Couldn't be happy that we're staying here 2 nights because it's going to be unreal. We get a sunset like this again tomorrow night. We're on, baby. Chilling with my mates. Having a yarn. Not a bad spot. Super chill. Loving it. Huh?
You ugly mug. Scared all the cows away.
Oh, it's unreal. How good. This is it. Welcome to a night off road. This is the little campsite we have. Nice and excluded from everywhere. One bit hole. Got the fire going. Still set the swags. Car's running because we need to charge the battery. We haven't been driving as much as we thought, so battery needs to be charged up. And yeah, this is it. This is us.
Once settled in our farm stay just west of Nowra, we spent some time wandering around checking out the beautiful landscapes that surrounded the area. Nowra, once pronounced as Nowra by the Indigenous Australians of the area, means the black cockatoo. Prior to the European arrival, the region south of Bermagui Creek was inhabited by the Wodi tribe, whilst north of the creek was inhabited by the Darawal people. Nowra is a thriving farming community with a significant amount of land to be explored and tracks to be driven, so well worth a stop along your travels.
Morning, peeps. Thought I'd get up fairly early and have a quick fish. See if I can't get anything. Yesterday was a fail, but you live and you learn. Dylan's still sleeping, so I'm trying to get away and not wake him up. So, wish me luck. See how we go. I can hear him. I can see him. Just gotta try and catch him. So, see how that goes. Fish are literally just teasing me. I can see them chasing something. Clearly not using the right technique, bait, lure. Who knows? It's all a learning experience, but shocking. That sun is already brutal. Really need to get some singlets made up. Being wearing t-shirts most of the time and it's just too hot. Just a quick wander around the camp first thing in the morning. Just Cannot believe the weather we've had every day on this road trip so far. So it's day 5 or day 6. It's been like this every morning, every day. Tell you what, I think the water's calling my name, so I'm going to go for an early morning dip, waking up a bit, and let's get it. Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, it's coming from the top of the tree.
Ah, it's a big branch.
Who you see it? Oh, straight up there.
Timmy and I just on our way out of the campsite, the little creek bed campsite. It's a beautiful night last night, wasn't it?
Absolute cooler.
Stars were out, and we had a little bit of footage of that, didn't we?
Yeah.
A little bit of midnight footage.
Got some stargazing stuff.
Well, we'll roll that on now and you can have a gaze at it. So yeah, we had a bit of a late night dip. We're pretty dirty, the feet were dirty, the legs were dirty. There's mud and stuff about, so we're having a bit of a gaze. Couldn't catch a fish, but had a late night dip and that was nice just to cool off and relax. And then from there, it was just pretty much stargazing in bed. I passed out, not early by any stretch of the imagination, but a bit before Timmy, because Timmy was getting that beautiful shot of the stars.
Still stocking up the fire.
What little wood I've got.
Not a bad fire.
Turn of events with the weather. A few of the cows aren't happy about it. They've all migrated super far east on the property. They are going bonkers. There's not just thunder happening, but there's a bunch of cows and sheep and goat and stuff moving in the background because all that weather out west is absolute lightning show. Like, it was beautiful to watch. The thunder, rain, lightning and stuff that's rolling in, all the cows. She's literally right next to me too. I'm worried she's going to sleep with me. Yeah, it might hurt if they trample over these swags. She's in stress. She knows something bad's coming along, but we're in the swag, albeit hot as shite because it is warm in here. But see how we get through the night. I'm sweating. I can hardly breathe in here. I've got the flaps cracked and they ain't helping. So see how we go, huh? Talk to you in the morning or later if anything exciting happens.
Good morning. What a night. Thunderstorm rolls in. The lightning display was absolutely phenomenal though, mind you. But man, the cows trundling down made it sound like the thunder was even worse. And then they're parking up next to us and going to the toilet next to us. And oh, Bessy's still having a bit of a bloody moo-moo, huh? Let's have a look at her, eh? Hey! But yes, that was an eventful night. Still got some sleep. If anything, actually, it was kind of like therapeutic, if you will. The ambience. But no, it was a good night. And we'll just get on with the day. Got some beach driving today, so I'm excited for that. So we'll take you there.
Let's learn how to fish, shall we? No idea what I'm doing. Gonna be muddy.
Why are you running?
Leather.
You know what I'm saying?
No.
What is this?
We are in
Dingeville.
Couldn't tell ya.
Did you bring a beer along? Ew. Oh!
Strong. Good girl. Best cast I've ever seen in my life.
I did this.
And hope that I don't fall in, because I've almost done that 3 times already.